Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be exploring a very important topic that affects all of us whether we realize it or not, which is the environmental impacts of computers. Computers are essential tools for modern life, but behind their screens and processors lies a massive global footprint that affects our air, water, soil, and climate. From their production to their daily use and eventual disposal, computers have consequences that ripple across the environment, and understanding these impacts is the first step toward creating a sustainable digital future. Computers require complex raw materials like rare earth metals, plastics, and silicon, which must be mined and processed before being manufactured into the devices we use. Mining these resources contributes to land degradation, deforestation, water pollution, and significant greenhouse gas emissions. The energy-intensive processes that create chips and other computer components further increase carbon emissions. Many people are unaware of the vast environmental costs of simply building the computers we depend on every day. In addition to their production, the use of computers also creates environmental concerns. Every time you turn on a desktop, laptop, or server, it consumes electricity, which often comes from fossil fuels like coal, oil, or natural gas. This ongoing energy use contributes to climate change by releasing carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Data centers, which store and process information for millions of users worldwide, consume massive amounts of power and are one of the fastest growing sources of electricity demand. Even personal computer use adds up to a larger environmental burden when multiplied across billions of users globally. Another major concern is electronic waste, also known as e-waste. Computers have relatively short lifespans due to rapid technological changes, and when they are discarded, they often end up in landfills or are exported to countries with fewer recycling regulations. E-waste contains toxic substances such as lead, mercury, and cadmium, which can leak into soil and water supplies, causing long-term environmental and health problems. Recycling programs exist, but that are still underutilized, and many parts of discarded computers remain unrecycled or improperly disposed of. Before we continue, I want to take a quick moment to connect with you directly. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can keep learning more about important topics like this one. Please like, share, and comment on this video so that more people can discover this valuable information. Please also turn on notifications so that you do not miss my next video, as I will be sharing more eye-opening discussions on technology and the environment. Now, let us get back to the impacts. Beyond waste and energy use, the manufacturing and disposal stages of computers affect air and water quality. Chemicals used in production can pollute local water systems, while burning e-waste in open dumps releases toxic fumes that harm both people and the atmosphere. Many communities near e-waste processing sites experience higher rates of respiratory illnesses and other health challenges due to exposure. These issues highlight the human cost of ignoring the environmental impact of our digital devices. Sustainability solutions are available, but they require global cooperation. Computer companies can design products that last longer, are easier to repair, and can be more efficiently recycled. Renewable energy sources can be used to power data centers, reducing the carbon footprint of internet use. Consumers like you and me can extend the life of our computers by repairing instead of replacing, recycling responsibly, and supporting companies that prioritize green practices. These small changes add up and can reduce the negative effects that computers have on our planet. Another often overlooked aspect is the impact of cloud computing and online streaming, both of which rely heavily on large-scale data centers. Every search, every video streamed, and every file stored in the cloud requires energy. While these services are convenient, they contribute to the overall digital carbon footprint. Awareness and responsible use are key to managing these invisible environmental costs. Finally, it is important to realize that while computers are part of the problem, they can also be part of the solution. With powerful software and data analysis, computers help scientists monitor climate change, design renewable energy technologies, and create smarter ways to manage natural resources. The challenge is to balance the benefits of digital technology with the responsibility of reducing its environmental footprint. We have now reached the end of today's video, and I hope you learned something valuable about the environmental impacts of computers. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can continue to join me in exploring these important global issues. Please like, share, comment on this video, and turn on notifications so that you do not miss my next video. Thank you for watching, and I truly appreciate your support as we build awareness together.